This rat isn't suicidal, it's being piloted. And no, this isn't science fiction. It's a 2024 study published in Nature by scientists at Peking University. They managed to hack the motor system and make the rat obey remote commands against its own will. In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover how scientists transformed animals into biological drones, why governments invest billions in this, and why you should be very concerned. But first, you need to understand how we got here. It all began in 1963, when Dr. Jose Delgado stopped a raging bull mid-charge. No magic trick, just a remote control and electrodes implanted in the animal's brain. Delgado discovered he could shut down the aggression by stimulating the caudate nucleus. The bulls simply stopped. But that was 60 years ago. What has happened since then will leave you speechless. Fast forward to 2002. Scientists at Sunny achieved something even more disturbing. They created robotic rats that navigated through rubble for rescue missions. Left, right, forward. The rats obeyed perfectly. But here's what scares you. The rats didn't know they were being controlled. They thought the decisions were theirs. How? By stimulating the reward center whenever they turned in the right direction. The brain learns turning left equals a good feeling, without realizing the manipulation. Now, 2024, Peking University. Scientists are no longer suggesting behavior. They are taking direct control of the motor cortex. Check this out. Wireless, millisecond latency, total control. But here's where it gets really bleak. The same lab published another study, this time with monkeys. And monkeys have a brain architecture 93% identical to ours. Let's be clear about what this means. Governments are already investing billions in brain-computer interfaces. The American Army is developing soldiers with enhanced reaction times. China wants mass mental harmonization. Elon Musk's Neuralink is already in human trials. But nobody is talking about the dark side. Imagine hackers, authoritarian governments, corporations, crowd control without physical violence, suppression of dissent, soldiers without fear or hesitation. This isn't Black Mirror, it's 2024. Okay, but is this already happening in humans? Yes, and not in the way you imagine. Deep brain stimulation already treats 250,000 people with Parkinson's, severe depression, and epilepsy. Permanent electrodes transmitting electrical pulses. Does it work? Absolutely. But there are reports of personality changes, patients who become different people, addictions that arise out of nowhere. I no longer feel like myself. Anonymous patient, Journal of Medical Ethics. And that's the therapeutic version. Imagine the military version. Leaked DARPA documents show Project N3, non-invasive neural interface for soldiers. Budget $104 million. Status classified. So, back to the rat. That rat in 2024 isn't the end. It's the beginning. 1963, bull. 2002, robot rat. 2024, direct motor control. 2025, monkeys. 20 question mark? Technology isn't good or bad, but in the wrong hands, that rat didn't know it was being controlled, and that's exactly the part that should keep you up at night. Like, comment, and share, and I'll see you for the next protocol.